There are literally thousands of glaciers in Alaska, and 667 of them have been officially named. These colossal ice formations span for miles, completely engulfing vast landscapes. Our next destination leads us 161 miles down into the Kenai Peninsula, specifically to the town of Whittier, where we plan to embark on an all-day glacier cruise. We arrived at the famous Anton Memorial Tunnel. It's a 2.5-mile one-way passage through a mountain, and it's the only way in and out of Whittier for both cars and trains. As a matter of fact, it was open to cars in the year 2000. The tunnel is open in each direction every half an hour, and sometimes you have to wait for a train to come through. But here's the kicker. The tunnel is entirely closed to car traffic between 11:15 p.m. and 5:30 a.m., meaning that once you're in Whittier after 11:15 p.m., you're gonna be there until the next morning. No exceptions. The town of Whittier didn't even exist until World War II, when the U.S. Army came in, had Anton engineer that tunnel, and made an army port until the end of the Cold War. In 1972, the city of Whittier acquired those army buildings, which now house most of its residents. I'm really giving you a very short version of Whittier's story, so check out the town's history online. I guarantee it's a very interesting read. Our stay was in one of the old army buildings. It wasn't fancy, but it was clean, and we got to watch the port rail operations right out of our window. We experienced real working Alaska. It's a little cold and rainy, and we leave our room and walk through the busy Whittier fish processing plants and make our way to the port to embark on an all-day glacier cruise. So this train actually stopped on the tracks for quite some time, and we didn't know what to do, so we eventually crawled our way under that bridge to get across to the other side. I had to stop filming because it was so wet and slippery, and I needed both hands to get down that steep embankment next to a raging creek. And go figure, there was actually a pedestrian tunnel that goes under those tracks, but we didn't know about it until the next day. But hey, that's part of the Alaska adventure, right? The 26th Glacier Cruise meanders through the Prince William Sound with its many islands, bays, and beautiful fjords. We saw lots of glaciers, of course, and wildlife, but no whales, though. I was a little bummed. But it was a very nice outing and another angle to view glaciers.
it's short, Alex. Look, it's a short train. Yay! It's the Alaska passenger train.
In the next episode, I have the most epic and the most miserable time of my life. You won't want to miss it. I hope you leave a comment down below because it helps my channel grow. Also, click on the Alaska Road Trip playlist right down there to start from the beginning. More new episodes are coming your way.